Hey guys, this is Jeremy, KJ7IAZ, and it is a brisk day getting ready for a holiday parade in Billings, Montana, and we get to play radio and help the kids talk to Santa today. So let me show you the setup. First of all, most important part is John, K7IKC. It's me and him. We're putting this thing together, and I'll show you some equipment here real quick. So I'm working with my Go box. I've got a external speaker, FTM 400, 20 amp hour battery. Should be plenty to get this thing done. And John, why don't you tell us what you got going on your end over here?
A little brown box over here, that one right there. What you're looking at here is a 12 volt 10 amp battery by Dakota Lithium. Very good little battery. The radio here is an FTM 6000 by Yaesu. I'll be on 147.240 tonight, and we're just going to try to have a lot of fun.
Perfect. We're gonna get some kids going, get some people talking to Santa and Mrs. Claus. We got a couple people standing by on the repeater to help facilitate that. So enjoy. Well, they're starting to get close, and we've got some lights coming on. Of course, everything looks bright. We even got the TV station coming on over there behind me. We actually got the best place in the house. We got Rock Creek coffee roasters right behind us, so we got lots of warm coffee to keep us warm tonight. And we even got reinforcements. We got Elizabeth.
Hello, KI7NVQ.
That's NVQ. She came down to be the female presence of the operation and keep us all in line so we don't get in any trouble tonight. Well, this parade's about ready to start. I'm going to try to get a little bit of the stuff here. I don't know if you get... Lots of people. Looks like we got a little bit of activity on the radio here. I don't know if you'll be able to hear this.
That's wonderful, wonderful there. Have you